Most people chasing make money online fail for one reason, and it's not what you think. Welcome to Day 5, why Home Business Academy is my long-term play, because recurring income beats hype every time. If you've been searching for how to make money online without investment, this is the work from home system I use, and when you join Home Business Academy with me as your sponsor at the $25 level, I'll cover your Simple Freedom Warriors entry. I'm going to pay it out of my own pocket. This is a proven system to help you generate lead, traffic, and sales for any program you promote, and also train your people too. Not just you, your people. And it's the exact methods that I'm using to rank on Google and YouTube and even Instagram, stuff like that. So it's very, very powerful. Stay with me until the very end, because I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock your Simple Freedom Warriors bonus and the move that makes this system work for any business you promote, even if you're starting from scratch. Before we go any further, drop the word bonus in the comments if you want me to send you the exact steps to claim your Simple Freedom Warriors entry when you join HBA through me at the $25 level. Every day you wait is another day your income resets instead of stacks. The sooner you start, the sooner your commissions compound into true passive income. And if you've been looking for side hustles that actually work, this is the one that's built to last. So I want to show you this actually works, okay? Before I do, I want to show you that this every month they have a live coaching Zoom mastermind on the first Monday of each month. Okay, so if you can attend, that's where you should go, right here. It shows you what the passcode is, and if you can't make it, you can watch the recording here. How cool is that? And there's a live daily Grow Rich call each weekday morning. These people are real people, and they help feed starving children. So how cool is that, right? So now I want to go into show you actual ranking proof, okay? So it isn't about what I say I can do. It's about what we're doing and what you can do. We're going to teach you the exact steps on how to rank on YouTube and even Google and even social media posts. What? Like, you can rank super high from day one, okay? And the more you do it, the easier it is, okay? So we're going to look at why HBA works for beginners, okay? That's the number on Google. Okay, you can see I'm not signed in, okay? Let's see if I'm ranking for anything else. Okay, I don't seem to be. So let's go to YouTube, okay? I'm going to check other search terms, okay? And I'm also going to name if I see anybody else on our team, because we have a lot of people. Like, we're dominating leaderboards. So we're going to YouTube. We're going to look at why HBA works for beginners, and you can see it's live. Not signed in, right? So then this is a sponsored ad. I'm the #1 person. Make money online with JJ. Okay? And I'm looking for other people besides just me too. And as you can see, I want to show you some of this stuff. 168,000 views. Okay? Mine has, I think, 29 views. Okay? 29 views. So there's some powerhouse channels on this term, okay? 296,000 views. 434,000 views. Okay? 168,000 views. A whole playlist of a guy. 7,800. I think that's the lowest one. Look at this. 2.6 million views. 565,000, 500,000. And here's another video by Make Money On with JJ. Okay? And here's another, I told you I was going to tell you my team, Postcard Lifestyle, 316 views, right? Make Money On with JJ, 7 views, okay? It still ranks. Okay, we're going to move on to another term, okay? And you can see, I'm going to show you, I believe we're first and second on both YouTube and Google on this one. So So we're going to look up Home Business Academy. Again, this isn't about me. This is about showing you that it's possible for you to dominate leaderboards, and we will help you build your team. So you can plug them into the training, get paid instant commissions, and they're trained for you, okay? On the exact steps they need to do every single day to build their list and drive traffic, leads, and sales for any business, okay? The number one is right here. That's JJ Solly, right? Here's another one, okay? And here's another one. And you can click it. So I'm going to show you this, not just bullshit, right? Because it doesn't, for some reason, it's not showing. But I know what I put out there. So we're going to look at it and make sure it's not bullshit, right? There it is. This should say JJ Solly, right? Oh, never miss a post from JJ Solly, right? So you can see. Here's another one. Here's another one. And another one. And another one. And another one. And here's my YouTube video. And here's another YouTube video. So, another one. Guess who's dominating Home Business Academy DFY marketing system? Me. That's who. And it could be, don't focus on me, focus on you. Because these are the exact same steps I'm giving you with this bonus, okay? The how to do this for yourself, right? Just follow the training. Can you follow simple steps and day to day and stay consistent, right? Here's another one, and another one, and another one, and then another one bites the dust, and another one, okay? And we're gonna go to YouTube, right? Because I told you, number one, what was it? Number 1 and 2 on Google, right? And you can see I'm not signed in, and then we're gonna go to on YouTube, okay? And it looks like I'm number 1, but let's check it. Yep, that's a sponsored. That doesn't count. Number 1 and number 2 for YouTube and Google. And guess what? That's a sponsored ad. Number 3. Okay? This is possible. Here's another one. This is possible. Another one. Another one. You imagine you and your team and another one doing this, okay? Here's another member of our team, Postcard Lifestyle, okay? So this is gold. We have the best team, we have the best bonuses, we have the best training, okay? And guess what? We have simple step-by-step videos for you, okay? And if you can't do it, we have a person that will train you that took me by the hand for almost a week straight, okay? And I ranked my very first video with him 3 minutes after I posted it with 0 views. It was ranked. Here's another one, okay? So you can do this, all right? Now, let's go back to where we were before, okay? Why isn't it doing it? I don't know why it's not doing it. Give me a second. Okay, so yeah, HBA has so many cool things. Look at this. All these help pages, right? On how to do exactly what you need to do, okay? And we have done for you funnels, okay? So much value here. And again, it also helps feed starving children, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to go check out online recruiting circuits, okay? I think that's the one I'm looking at. Oh, I'm not logged in, so let's get logged in. This isn't the one I was looking for. Let me go again. Let's try 3K per month. Maybe that's the one. Anyways, and they give you banners, etc., etc. It must be the Grow Rich Mastermind. But anyways, even if it isn't, we're moving on, okay? So, rebuild from zero. The problem was the model, not the work ethic. I found HBA, $25. Let me move this video so you can see me, okay? A month, $25 a month, 80% instant commissions, built-in training, community support, It's one of the best affiliate marketing programs for beginners because it works for any online business niche and pays you each month. Month after month, you get paid for this. Okay, you have recurring bills, right? You need recurring income, okay, to get your goals, right? I used to feel like I was training the same person 5 times in 5 different ways, like Groundhog Day, but without Bill Murray's paycheck. Again, HBA funnel builder, $25 a month, 80% commissions, so $20 a month. So you bring 2 in, you're in profit. Monthly payouts, month after month after month. Imagine having, for example, 50 people at $20 a month. That's $1,000 a month, right? But there's another level that pays 80%. If you're at the 120 level and you bring in that, you get $100 a month. So imagine having 20 of those. That's 2,000 plus 1,000 is 3,000 a month. And guess what? If you make 3,000 a month with most programs, you're starting over from zero, say in October, right? No, not with this one. You're starting at 3,000. You see how powerful that is? Now join 20 HBA Home Business Academy at the $25 level with me as your sponsor, and I'll cover your Simple Freedom Warriors entry. A proven system. When I showed you how we're ranking, it's exactly how we're ranking. There's so much information there, okay? And it's a proven system. Help me make money online with any program you promote, okay? Comment bonus if you want me to DM you the steps to activate it today. This isn't just for HBA. It's for network marketing, coaching, e-commerce, any affiliate program. Because it's not about selling one product. It's about mastering the skills and system that make any product sell. That's how you earn money online in a way that's scalable and sustainable. And remember, this is the same system that lets me plug in, or you can plug in to any niche and still get paid. Think of it like a coffee machine. You don't roast the beans. You just press the button and get paid for every cup poured. See, most people treat online business like a treadmill. They're running hard, but the scenery never changes. This flips the switch, so every step actually moves you forward. Every month you wait is a month of commissions you can't get back. Start now, and in 90 days you can have a live funnel, a trained team, and recurring income that hasn't reset once. It's like planting a fruit tree. You don't dig it up every month to check if it's growing. You plant it once, water it, and let it produce season after season. So you don't have to train every new person yourself. SFW, Simple Freedom Warriors, does it for you, step by step, while you focus on growing your reach. That's how you build a business from home that works for any niche and keeps paying you month after month. If you're ready, if you want that bonus, type bonus in the comments. Picture yourself 3 months from now, your system's live, your commissions are stacking, your people trained without you lifting a finger. You get paid instantly with SFW, by the way. And you're free to focus on growth, not constant restarts, okay? And remember, you can start earning online this week for just $25 with me covering your Simple Freedom Warriors entry. That's less than a night out, but it can pay you every month for years. Click the link in the description now, lock in your bonus, and I'll personally get you plugged into the system so you can start stacking commissions this week. Every day you wait is another day your income resets. And here's the one move I promise. It's not about changing the next thing. It's about locking into a system that trains your people for you while you collect residual income. That's why Home Business Academy is my long-term play, because recurring income beats hype every time. This is JJ Sully, aka John Sully, aka your friendly neighborhood Solomon, and I believe in you. And I know you can do this. I know if you're like me, you hopping from program to program trying to find something that works. Well, this system works. Not only is HBA one of the best systems, Simple Freedom Warriors, I'm going to give you the bonus, okay? I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to pay it for free. I'll see you in the next one. Don't delay. Get with JJ today.